We are back at the main railway station in Düsseldorf. Apparently we missed our train to Dortmund. We'll have to wait for the next one. That's not going to be like much of an issue. It runs quite frequently, but still we could have been there a bit sooner. Sometime later, and we are in Dortmund. Thankfully there was no delay, which means we got here on time. Probably the first time I have ever seen like outlet for sweets and candy. We actually went inside and they have got some good prices. A very funny thing about the metro, or like the H-BAHN, the actual metro station is air conditioned, however the trains are not, so it's like the opposite experience than in New York City. We still have got enough time to go pretty much everywhere in Dortmund, but we decided again for IKEA, the second IKEA on this trip. So yeah, let's go inside, let's get the ice cream. This time it's strawberry. Very good. There's also a very cool thing over here, very interesting way of transportation. It's like a monorail but like upside down. It basically goes like this, like hangs from the top.
Nächster Halt, Technologiezentrum.
It was a very cool experience. I mean, it's a very unique way of transportation, I would say. I've seen it on the internet, but I've never realized that it's in Dortmund. Finally, the first train that is air conditioned. If you have watched my Podgorica vlog, then you will know that how we got to the airport was on foot. We will probably do the same thing right now as well. Not because there's nothing going there, but it's cheaper. €9 ticket only covers the public transportation, and at the airport we would have to take like private transportation that would cost us some money. While walking is not that far, it's like 20 minutes on foot. We just got into the airport on foot, which means the video is probably going to end. If you have watched all the parts of the vlog, and thank you very much, and see you next time on the next trip. Take care.